Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to set up Instagram shopping with Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe about 1 minute. So first of all, you'll need to convert your Instagram profile to a professional account. So for that, in the Instagram app, open your business profile, tap the 3-line icon, tap settings, tap account and click on switch to professional account. Select a category for your business, confirm your contact details and then connect your Facebook business page. And then you will need to add Instagram shopping to the Facebook sales channel. So for that, from your Shopify admin, click Facebook sales channel and overview. Click setup to start in the Instagram shopping section. Connect the required Facebook accounts to the Facebook sales channel, review and accept the terms and condition and click on request approval. It takes 24 hours to 48 hours for Facebook to review your products. And then you will need to add your product catalog to Instagram. You can add your product catalog from the shopping section in your Instagram business profile settings. Step 1. Using Instagram, open your business profile option and then go to settings section, tap business, shopping and then confirm your Facebook account. Select the product catalog that you want to connect and tap on done. So this is how we can set up Instagram shopping with Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links and descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.